Now available at your Cherokee Titan Outlet store, a used 2007 McCormick XTX200 tractor in excellent condition. The front tire size is 14 by 30 and the rear tire size is 18.4 by 42. The loader is a 95-inch Quickie Q75 with self-leveling, and it has 540 and 1000 PTO, 4 rear remotes, and a 3-point hitch with rear controls above both rear tires. This tractor has 1,489 hours and a deluxe cab in excellent condition. If you have questions or interested in this, please give us a call at 877-866-7010 or visit us online at www.titanoutletstore.com.